Welcome back to WS Video. Today our topic is Copilot AI. Firstly, I want to tell you about the new Copilot key of new laptops and computers. It is coming on new devices. If we press that key, the Copilot window opens automatically. Copilot AI is powered by OpenAI and also the same as their AI chatbot. Do you know Copilot can access our PC? If we turn on dark mode, it gives us a digital sheet to which we can click yes or no. If we understand some picture, we can send that picture and ask what's the meaning of the picture. We can use it while using an app.
Hey Copilot, how's it going?
Hey, I'm doing great, and it looks like you're about to dive into some Minecraft. Ready to build, explore, and maybe dive a few mobs?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to make a sword. My son plays this game all the time, and I have no idea what I'm doing.
No worries. I'm here to help you impress your son. I see you've got a crafting table in front of you, which is a great start. To craft a sword, you'll need some materials.
Have you know about this? Copilot works on their software, system, and also on hardware. It can also generate images. I think today's topic is helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Please share, like, and comment on the video. See you again with another video. Goodbye.